kind of salsa would you like with that? Mild, medium, or spicy?
I'll do the spicy.
Are you sure? It's got a little bit of kick to it.
It's fine. Let's see how much of a kick you got. Ma'am, barbecue sauce spicy as this.
Ok. ¿Y cuál salsa vas a querer?
La que menos pica, por favor.
He needs some milk.
Baby, ¿qué más? Hace rato que no sé nada de ti. Estaba con alguien, pero ya estoy free.
I just got $100 of Kohl's cash. Nice. What are you gonna buy with that? I was thinking about getting this Nike jacket. Retails $110, but after the Kohl's cash, I'll only be spending $10. What? Shipping's $8.95. I gotta spend $75 to get free shipping. I'm not trying to spend that much though.